Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu states, "We conquered Makkah Mukarramah and then we fought the battle of Hunain. The polytheists came arrayed nicely in ranks, and I had never seen this strategy before. First row was of the horses, then combatants were lined up. Behind them the women were drawn up in a line, behind them the goats were lined up, and behind them the other quadrupeds were arrayed in ranks. We were in great number, which reached 6,000. On our side, Hazrat Khalid bin Walid was the commander of the cavalry. Suddenly, our houses behind us turned around, and we could not resist until our horses got exposed, and the Bedouins and the people we knew took to their heels. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon made a call, O emigrants, O emigrants. And then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, O helpers, O helpers. Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu says, it has been reported by a group of people. We submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we are present. Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu says, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam then advanced. Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu says, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu put them to rout before we reached there, and we captured all of their property. We then made for Taif and besieged them for 40 days. Thereafter we returned to Makkah Mukarramah and stayed there. And Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam started apportioning 100 camels to each. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 2439.